Hi, welcome back to Genesis Custom Sabers, and I have a brand new sound font to show you today called Unhinged. And as you might have guessed, these are the sounds inspired by Kylo Ren's lightsaber in The Force Awakens. It's got a very distinctive hum. And of course, with the crystal focus, you've got 4 different ignition sounds depending on the orientation of the saber. You've got 16 different swing sounds. You've got the chainable spin sound, so when you start spinning the saber, it actually sounds like you're spinning a saber. You've got 16 different clash sounds, stab sounds, blaster blocks, lock up, and a host of other sounds. So I really hope you like this sound font. I'm really proud of it, and I think it's going to go really well with your darkside saber. Thanks again for watching.